Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find your UAN number. Your Universal Account Number, or UAN, acts as a single point of access for all your employee Provident Fund services, even if you change jobs multiple times. Understanding how to easily locate this 12-digit number is crucial for managing your retirement savings effectively. This essential identifier simplifies all your Provident Fund interactions. The first step involves visiting the official Employee Provident Fund Organization member portal, which is easily found through a quick search for EPFO member portal. It is essential to confirm you are on the legitimate government site to protect your personal information. This secure online platform serves as the central hub for managing all aspects of your Provident Fund, offering a reliable way to access your details. Once on the official portal, you will need to input your activated Universal Account Number, along with your secure password, into the designated login fields. Carefully enter the displayed CAPTCHA code to proceed. After successfully completing these steps, you will be directed to your personal member dashboard, which provides a comprehensive overview of your Provident Fund details and account status. From your member dashboard, look for the View tab positioned prominently in the navigation menu. Click on this tab, and a drop-down menu will appear offering several options. Select the UAN card option from this list. A digital version of your UAN card will then be generated and displayed on your screen, clearly showing your unique universal account number for your convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.